So hello adventurers, I have bought this Japanese style saw. It comes with a spare blade, very ergonomic, but it doesn't come with a sheath. So when I want to take this backpacking, I have actually just two choices. I make a custom leather sheet, or I just put it in my backpack and risk slitting something open, which I don't like. But we have a first option, and this is to make a sheet out of this plastic sheet it actually comes in. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting this here a bit open, only this one part here, just like this. So now I'm able to pull it out and put it back in. But it goes so easily back in as it goes out. So let me make this here a bit. Let it open it a bit further. Just like this. And now we're able to put it easy back in and back out. So far so good, but now we need to strap this thing to our backpack, and therefore I'm using a hole punch. And I'm looking just where could it fit the best. Somewhere like here, and then I'm trying to put a hole into it, but a spot where it fits the best. This is pull it out so I can get the best angle here. And you see, now we have a hole. And now I make another one just about here. Two holes. Repeat this on the other side. Try to have the same height here. Just like this. Hole, 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 hole. Now let's put the saw back in. Like this, and now let's take a bit of cordage and pull it through here, just like this. Now if we tie it up, we can make it in a belt loop to just put it on a belt, or we do it differently and have a larger piece on the back. That's what I'm doing now. Let's see, we have here a large piece. Then we go down again, like here. Like here. So let's tie it off here in the middle. But you have now dozens of opportunities to tie it in some way and form that you like the best. Tie it now up here to have it double. Let's put them under here. Now you're able to carry this saw on your backpack or belt in his original packaging as a sleeve or sheet. And yeah, you have a spare plate. It's not perfectly small, but you can of course just cut it down here and have a smaller sheet. But yeah, it's not just trash, you can use it. And it still goes easily in and easily out, but not so easy that it is any risk of falling out. Yeah. This was my idea here. Yeah. Let me know in the comments down below how you like it. And yeah, of course I will make a leather sheet for this in the future, but now I'm out of leather and don't have a piece big enough for it. So this will do. This will do quite fine. You can strap it on a molly kind of thing, or just like I use a carabiner hook to hook it on to your backpack, or like I said, make it the other way around and put your belt to here and hang it from your belt, pistol belt kind of thing. Yeah. And there are dozens of opportunities to use this kind of technique. And by the way, this is very, very strong. Even with this cheap cord, but if you use paracord or something, this is holding. It's quite sturdy plastic, and most people throw it away, but yeah, it is useful in this instance. Very useful. Just hang it on your backpack and you're good to go. And yeah, spare plate. And you can, of course, use the plastic for something else if you want. You have a bit of cardboard as tinder or something if you need. And yeah, those saws here, they are actually quite good for bushcrafting purposes. They are very handy, very ergonomically formed. Yeah, I like them. And now with a good sheet to transport it. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I see you next time here in the Adventures Club.